आज हम बात करने वाले हैं आईवी ड्रिप्स के बारे में। आईवी ड्रिप्स बहुत पॉपुलर हो चुकी हैं एंड मोस्ट ऑफ आवर पेशेंट्स डू आस्क अबाउट देयर बेनिफिट्स एंड हाउ दे आर सपोज्ड टू बी यूज्ड। सो टुडे लेट अस टॉक अबाउट व्हाट ऑल कैन आईवी ड्रिप्स अचीव। IV drips क्या हैं? IV drips basically mean a combination of antioxidant, vitamins, trace minerals, which are used for enhancing your hair, your skin and your overall health. Now, IV drips का जो main component है, वो होता है glutathione. Glutathione basically is an antioxidant जो free radicals को हटाता है, आपकी body को detoxify करता है and helps in improving your health status. The most beneficial effect in terms of cosmesis of glutathione is skin lightening or brightening. So skin lightening जो है वो glutathione का एक side effect है जिसके लिए इसे हम enhancing your skin tone के लिए use करते हैं. So glutathione has been used for almost a good number of years for skin lightening and it is quite popular. So these days we want to combine the benefits of other elements also which are essential for your health and nutrition while giving you glutathione. So what all are we combining? We are combining glutathione with vitamin C जिससे कि skin brightening भी होती है and vitamin C also increases the absorption of glutathione thereby maximizing its effects. उसके साथ आते हैं zinc, magnesium, selenium जो trace minerals हैं which are very important for your health and vitality. The benefit of taking IV drips is that जो भी आपके nutrition में lack कर रहा है वो हम IV drips के द्वारा आपकी body में provide कर सकें. So in today's lifestyle where we are running from pillar to post, we hardly have time for a good nutrition, the age of fast food, junk food. IV drips basically help in detoxifying your body and providing with all the essential nutrients which are necessary for healthy and glowing hair and skin. Now कैसे हम इसको लेते हैं? IV drips का जो frequency है वो आपका जो health counselor है या doctor हैं आपको बताएंगे कि आपको कौन सी frequency में IV drips लेने चाहिए. Depending on the indication, हम sometimes we give IV drips as frequently as once in a week. And this usually is when we are giving it for skin whitening in the form of glutathione injections. बाकी जो trace minerals हैं, elements हैं, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, इनको हम once in a month भी ले सकते हैं just to give the body an overall detoxification and also जो सारी nutrients lacking हैं उनको हम replenish कर सकें. What are the precautions which you need to take? Obviously अगर आपको कोई भी health condition है तो वो आपने अपने डॉक्टर को पहले से inform करनी है. Pregnancy is usually a contraindication for any of these procedures, including IV drips. Also, अगर आपको diabetes है या blood pressure है, ये सारी conditions आपके health care counselor को पहले से पता होनी चाहिए before putting you on IV drips. Again, there is a dosage which needs to be taken. So, depending on the indication, glutathione can be given in a dose of 600 to 1200 milligrams per dose, and this again will be decided by the healthcare practitioner. Some blood test might be essential if you're going to go for glutathione drips. For example, your kidney function test, so that आपकी kidneys पे इनका कोई harmful effect ना पड़े. Now, some myths regarding glutathione is that one, instant results आते हैं. So that is something which we need to debunk. Glutathione basically works by decreasing the melanin production. लेकिन ये overnight नहीं होता है. Gradually it's going to decrease the melanin production in your body and आपको skin tone lightening दिखेगी. This is also more common in your hands and your feet before it starts showing results on your face. So you would require at least 2 to 3 sessions of glutathione before you start seeing visible results. Second, ये कि glutathione के results हैं permanent होते हैं. No, these are not permanent and because हम body का एक enzyme production कम कर रहे हैं, the moment we stop glutathione, that is going to revert back to its origin. So if you want sustained effects, then you have to continue glutathione. This can be achieved by combining oral medications with your IV drips. कि आपने IV drips ले ली 8 to 10 sessions and then we put you on oral supplementation which can be taken for a prolonged period of time very safely. If you're taking IV drips only for your skin whitening, these might need to be repeated at 1 year. Also, हम बहुत prolonged duration के लिए glutathione देना prefer नहीं करते हैं, so we usually ask the patient to stop after he or she has taken 8 to 10 sessions Give your body a break and then, if required, resume it after a period of 3 to 4 months. Anything which is more frequent than that can lead to potential side effects. So be very careful, and if you're planning any such thing, be sure that you're going to a doctor and not getting these injections anywhere and everywhere just because they're easily available or they are cheap. Thirdly, what is also important is that you get a good company. जिसमें आपकी ये जिससे आप ले रहे हैं वो एक अच्छी कंपनी का ड्रग होना चाहिए. There are a lot of variations available in the market and not all of them are safe or even FDA approved. So anyways, go to a proper doctor when you're thinking of getting such a treatment done, because anything which is going inside your body needs to be safe, needs to be bereft of any side effects, and you should be very careful in choosing the practitioner जिसके पास आप ये IV drips के लिए जा रहे हैं. Overall, this is a very safe procedure, and if you follow certain recommendations, you are going to get the desired benefits out of these IV drips, and they are a good supplement in today's fast world. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to us.